Good morning, children. I am your English teacher, Binod Kumar Yadav. Today, all of you are welcome again in online class of English Reader. Today, I shall teach you a new story, The God of River. Page number 33. Listen the story carefully and try to understand. The story starts as follows. This story is about a farmer and his family. Once there was a small village called Dhampur. Kishan, a farmer, lived with his family in a small cottage in the village. He had a son, Ramesh. Ramesh was 11 years old. Kishan went to the fields for farming and Ramesh went to a school near the village. Whenever Ramesh's mother cleaned the house, she told him to collect the garbage and throw it away. Ramesh collected the garbage and threw it into the river that flowed near their cottage. This was his daily routine. Many other families also did the same. The place where people threw the garbage became very dirty and smelly, but nobody bothered it. Nobody bothered it. It means nobody cared for it. One day, when Ramesh was about to throw the garbage, he saw someone wearing a golden crown come out of the river. He was tall and fair and held a golden pot full of water in his hand. But he looked very sad. Ramesh felt scared, but he soon took courage and asked the person who he was and why he was so sad. The person said slowly about himself, I am the god of water. I have been living in this river for many years. I am sad because you are always throwing garbage into my water and polluting it. Polluting it means making dirty. This river has now become very dirty. What do you mean by polluting water? Asked Ramesh. The water god said, when you throw garbage into the water, it gets dirty. This garbage contains chemicals and plastics which are very harmful for the fish. It has germs too. If someone drinks this water, he or she may catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. Ramesh was surprised to know all this. He felt guilty for polluting the river so much. He took his garbage and went back to his home. Next day, Ramesh went to his school and shared his experience with his friends and his teacher. The teacher gave him more information about water pollution. The teacher said, we throw domestic and industrial waste, flowers, and so many other things into the river. These things pollute our rivers and make them dirty. Where should I throw the garbage then? Asked Ramesh. The teacher replied, dig a pit outside your house and put all the garbage into that pit. When the pit is full, cover it with leaves. Leave it for a few days. The garbage will turn into manure. Your father can use the manure in his fields. Ramesh was very happy at the idea. His father dug a pit the same day and they started throwing the garbage into the pit instead of throwing it into the river. Thank you.